Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to use my new toy that I got from Amazon, a little breakfast skillet thingy here, majig, and I'm going to make a breakfast skillet for you on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's get started. Alright, welcome back to another episode. Hey, so you're going to notice I'm wearing a different shirt today. This is a jersey from our local baseball league that I volunteered for many years that my son plays in. And I did this last year too, where I wore this jersey just as a reminder to you parents or any adults out there to, donate your time to some of these leagues and volunteer and help these kids. Let's keep them busy. Let's keep them doing things that they love and enjoy and try to give them a good experience. Our season for baseball just ended in Little League and it was a great year. The kids had fun. That's really the most important thing. Another year in the books, on to next spring when it gets here. And yeah, I'm wearing my Cubs hat today. I'm sorry for those of you that aren't Cub fans. I love the entire game of baseball. The Cubs are my team. I don't hate your team, whoever that is. Just enjoy the game of baseball, okay? So you don't have to hate on me for my hat. I love the Cubs, it is what it is. All right, one more quick thing, and then we're gonna get started with this skillet. We're gonna get out on the porch. So a couple weeks ago, I had a message from my friend Jared over at Barbecue and Bottles on Instagram, and we did this burger competition on Instagram with my hangover burger. He literally doubled the size of my Instagram account overnight just by doing that coordination with me. So I wanted to kind of give him a little bit of love because he's got a YouTube channel, and I'm going to tell you what, he's got some really good cooks, some great recipes, and he does a great job at explaining things to people about the cook and the techniques. I want to return the favor. I checked out his channel. I thought he has good content, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you'll go ahead and stop by. Let him know that his friend Mike from Everyday Barbecue sent you there, okay? All right, on to this cook. We're gonna do some hash browns, we're gonna do some eggs, we're gonna do some melted cheese and bring all this together with the sausage and the bacon. It's just gonna be beautiful. We're gonna melt it all down here in this skillet. Haven't done this, haven't tested it. I'm sure it's gonna work. I know it's gonna be delicious. Let's get outside, let's enjoy this beautiful weather, and let's cook some breakfast. All right, we're gonna start by getting this sausage out here. And we are just going to go ahead and start with that. And a few minutes into that, we're going to get our hash browns down. All right, we've got some good browning coming along here on the sausages. And what I'm going to do just to kind of accelerate those is cover those up. Now let's get those hash browns started. I want to thank one of my subscribers who recommended this Sang stir fry oil to me. This stuff smells and tastes absolutely amazing. And as you can see, I just got it this week and I've already gotten into it quite a bit. So we're going to drop some of this down before we lay those hash browns down. Now this Sang's just smells absolutely amazing. Really nice garlic and herb flavors there. All right, let's drop down these hash browns. Going to try to mix that oil up into these a little bit, just to get a nice crisp and some really good flavor. All right, now we spread those out. Get a little bit of garlic salt on these. And just because I am me, I'm going to drop a little more Sangs on top of these. So what we're trying to do is slowly cook these hash browns, give them a little crust on the bottom, then we'll flip, turn, do the same thing, flatten it out, try to get more crust. We really want to go slow with those, just to give them a nice crust but not burn them. Meanwhile, sausage is coming along really nicely, and we'll be adding some more stuff here on the griddle in just a minute. We're just going to keep working these around a little bit. Now let's go ahead, flatten these out again. Alright, so these sausages are looking good. Let's go ahead and use our scraper. Just kind of give these a little chop. Beautiful sear underneath. Look at that, very nice. Alright, so we're going to continue to let those brown up. Now let's go ahead and check out these hash browns. Yep, getting a nice crust, still developing there. Now this is about the time I want to go ahead, push these off to the side, flatten them out on low here, and just continue to let those develop a crust. Now we're also going to go ahead, move this sausage here, right next to it, and it's time to warm up our skillet. We're going to just place that right there. So we've got our skillet warming up here. I've added a little sayings to that. Now we're going to go ahead and crisp up this bacon a little bit. So we're just going to put that bacon right over here by our sausage, flatten it out a little bit, just let it warm, let it crisp. We don't want it overcooked. We don't want it to be where we can't eat it. Okay, our skillet is warm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drop some hash browns in here. And we just want to coat this bottom up nicely. Alright, now in case you guys don't know, if you didn't watch my last video, the hangover burger, I like cheese, and no skillet would be proper without some cheese. So we're going to go ahead and add some cheese here, and there's going to be another layer of this as well. So let's allow that to start melting down. And to help that melt down, get this sausage and bacon, mix it up nicely together. And let's go ahead and add that into our skillet right now. Alright, so we've got all our breakfast meat here in our skillet. This thing is just, man, I can't wait to try it. Alright, so we're going to continue to let this kind of melt down and get a crisp on the bottom of this. Now it's time to go ahead and get our eggs going. We're going to top this, and we're going to top that with even some more cheese. Let's get going. Alright, a little bit more sayings, just because I love this stuff. Time for a couple eggs. Now let's get that seasoned up with a little bit of garlic salt here. And it's time to steam these bad boys. I'm going to go with a little bit more cheese here. Just like that. And just like that, our eggs are done. Let's go ahead and drop these bad boys right on here. And these yellows are going to be nice and runny. Wow, take a look at that. Alright, here's what we're finished with, guys. I garnished this with a little bit of parsley. I put a little bit more cheese on top. This smells absolutely delicious. And of course, we're going to go ahead and do this nice yellow break for you so that you can see how well this oozes, okay? Are you guys ready? Let's get this one here. Look at that. Man, that is so beautiful. Alright, it's time to give this bad boy a try. Alright guys, here's what we're working with. Yellows are broke. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's taste. Alright, I can't wait to try this. It's breakfast time. I filmed this in the morning, and you know, it takes a while to film, so I got a headache from not eating. I can't wait to dig in. Don't forget, check out my guy Jared over at Barbecue and Bottles. And if you get a chance, volunteer, help a kid in some Little League program, okay? Big deal to me. I hope it's a big deal to some other people out there. Cheers. Let's dig into this skillet. And get a nice bite here with everything in it. There we go. We got some eggs. We got some bacon. Got some hash browns. Oh, man. I'm going in for more. You guys are going to have to wait. Holy cow. Who needs restaurants? Just look at that. Oh yeah, I'm going after that. Alright, so I've never owned a skillet like this before, you know, small enough to do something like this. I bought this on Amazon just for this video. I wanted to check it out and see how it worked out. This came out absolutely like it would in a restaurant. I mean, I'm really amazed. I know it's a simple dish, but I do a lot of new things on the show that I've never done before, and I kind of wonder sometimes like how I'm going to score versus if I was out eating at a restaurant. This is perfect, man. I love it. I might have to get a couple more of these and then do these for my family some Sunday morning. Anyway, listen, I really appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate all the love. Channel's almost a year old. We're almost at 10,000 subs as of the time of filming this. There's gonna be a giveaway. I'm not gonna talk about it right now. First, we gotta get to 10K. Anyway, take care. Cheers. I'll see you on the next episode.